Hi YouTube, this is Yadav. You know me, right? Maybe you don't know me. So you just have read the title, starting a YouTube channel in the year 2014. It is a complaint, but it still isn't a complaint because I'm not complaining to anybody because I have no subscribers right now. So it isn't a complaint with my subscriber. I'm not winning here. I just wanted to discuss it with those guys who are just starting out with a new YouTube channel. Since most of the people who will be clicking on this link of my uh, video will actually be someone who did not at all start yet. So or maybe someone who is very brand new and is thinking of progressing. So I just wanted to discuss my experience in this 2014 because I have started multiple channels and then closed multiple channels in this year itself. So let's see what I did in this year 2014. I started with a channel and uploaded some videos there, and to my shock there was nobody watching those videos, so I deleted the channel, and then I created another channel, and again as a shocker nobody watched those videos of mine. And I just want to make this point clear that those videos that I was making weren't the videos that I make now. They were completely different, and they were mostly general scientific topics, and nobody gave any importance to watch those channels. And then I ended up deleting them because nobody was watching, nobody was subscribing. Maybe the one of the reason, maybe because of my English sucks. I know that it sucks, but the value of the content was so high that I just had to get disappointed with that and then delete that channel of mine. But anyway, now I'm on this channel with a different aim, with a different target, with a different plans. So I have decided that I'm not going to not at all going to quit from this channel the way I did. I have learned from some YouTubers on online, and most of them said that do it because you want to do it, not because you want audience from it. So I have decided that I'll do it, not for the audience, but I'll do it for myself because I want to be out there. I want something that I am creating to be on there online, and I want it as a hobby of mine. Even though I'm not getting any benefit out of it, I want to do it. Even if nobody's watching my content, I want my content to be out there. And the other fact is that when I deleted those channels, when I uploaded videos on those channels, and since nobody was watching them, I got so disappointed with the fact that now when I am with a new channel, and now when I am uploading videos on this channel, I decided that I'll support everybody who is just starting out, so that I can make them feel happy. I can make them know that somebody is watching their content, and in this way, I'll have somebody who watch my content, and then I'll have somebody to watch their content progress. So this is the way I want to progress in terms of channel. Sorry for that ambulance sound. It happens every time they go here. So if you did not had started YouTube channel 4 years back or 5 years back, then there is no chance that you'll get a limelight in this 2014, especially when you belong from a country, geographic area which does not have English language as a basic language. And then on top of that, there is not so much trend of you using internet, and it is not in my country. And I'm very much frank to tell that it is not in my country to be on internet, and most of the people don't even care who uploads or who is vlogging or whatever it is. Maybe they find it waste of time, maybe they are not digitally literate. And I have a topic of digital literacy fixed, so that I could tell you guys how much digitally illiterate my country is or something like that. So stay tuned to watch that. But like I was saying, in starting a channel on YouTube in the year 2014 is not going to be easy. It's going to be a tough task. And as you know, guys, this YouTube thing is a full community thing. When you do not interact with people, then there is no chance that there is going to be a development for you. So what I have decided that even though I'm just started out, and it's been a month, and I've uploaded around 16 to 17 videos with just around 80 to 90 views, I think. But still, I'm happy with the fact that I'm doing it, I'm enjoying it, and I'm not going to delete this channel like I deleted my previous one. And I'm going to stay here, even though I have been doing YouTube around a year now, and most of the time I did not face the camera until today. So I just want to say to you guys, if you are just starting out and you are just watching my channel, then welcome to the YouTube community. And be a part of my YouTube community and stay connected, stay attached, and subscribe to my channel, because so many interesting things are there that I'm going to do, and I'm going to upload that on YouTube. So stay connected to me. Thank you, and thank you for subscribing. That's what I'm gonna have to say. Yeah, subscribe. Thank you.